Right, so what's happening here? Well, we've got 4 children going into the sweet shop. Oscar is buying 3.4 hectos of sweets in a special presentation box. He's not paying for the weight of the box. The box is luxurious, but that's included in the price of the chocolates. He's actually only paying for the weight of the chocolates inside the box. So it's like she's putting the box on the scale and then she's pressing the tare button. Okay? So the tare button is the one that you're not using. So let's put this in terms of Oscar's. What do we know about Oscar? Well, the weight of Oscar's chocolates plus the weight of the box, and let's just call that B. So if we call W is the weight of chocolates, B is the weight of the box, and let's call P the price that they pay. And if we have Oscar A, really clear here what we're doing. So the weight of Oscar's box, Oscar is a subscript here, plus the weight of the box, we don't know what the weight of the box is yet, is going to cost him 176 kronas. The weight of Hannah's box plus the weight of the box is going to cost her 110 kronas. But the weight of the box isn't actually costing them anything. So if we want to get rid of the weight of the box, we can just subtract the amount of weight that Oscar is paying minus Hannah's weight, and the box will disappear. Let me show you what I mean here. So the weight of Oscar's minus, subtracting the difference, the weight of Hannah's plus her box is going to equal the amount that Oscar paid minus the amount that Hannah paid in kronas. Okay? So here we get weight of Oscar minus weight of Hannah, which we know. Weight of Oscar minus weight of Hannah, plus the B here. But here we have minus times plus B giving us minus B. Now we get that the box disappears. So that we get the weight of Oscar's minus the weight of Hannah's, which we know is 3.4 hectos minus 2.2 hectos is going to cost 176 minus 110, 66 kronas. Now we have no weight of the box anymore. Now we've only got the weight of chocolates. So 3.4 minus 2.2, that's 1.2 hectos of pure chocolate now. Costs us 66 krona. So amount of chocolate from Oscar minus Hannah costs. So now we know what 1.2 hectos cost. We can get what 1 hecto costs. Divide both sides by 1.2. We don't want to know what 1.2 hecto costs. We want to know what's the price for 1 hecto. We get 1.2 divided by 1.2 equals 66 divided by 1.2. So 1 hectogram of chocolate costs 66 divided by 1.2 equals 55 kronas. We now have a hecto price for chocolate. The chocolate costs, therefore, chocolate costs 55 kronas per hecto. So why are they giving us all this other information? Because we don't actually need it at all. Well, they're giving it us in case we decide to check that we've done it right by taking Hannah minus William. Let's do that then. The weight of Hannah's minus the weight of William's. Hannah's was 110. William's was 77. So let's do the whole thing again. check that we get 55 kronas per kilo, because if we don't, we've done something wrong. So we want the weight of Hannah minus the weight of Williams. And it should equal 110 minus 77, which we know is 67 kronas. Okay, what do we get then as the weight of Hannah plus the box? It's 2.2 minus 1.6. 2.2 minus 1.6, that's 0.6 hectogram, costs 67. Have I got the right numbers here?
No.
It doesn't look right.
Kunna 10 minus 57 and 67.
No, it isn't. It is
33.
it's 23.33. Yeah. Kronas. Costs 33 kronas. So to get what 1 hecto is, we get 33 kronas divided by 0.6. 0.6 is the same as 6/10, so we get 33 divided by 6/10, which is 330 divided by 6, which is 55 kronas per kilo. So whichever way you do it, and if you do the same thing then with Williams minus Alicia's, you also get 55, what?
It's hecto, not the kilo.
Per hectogram. 55 kronas per hectare.